Hello children. In the previous class you learnt about geographical features of India. In this class you are going to learn about prehistoric India. Hope you enjoy the class. Thank you.
The prehistoric India. Now, why is this period called the prehistoric period? Pre means before the historic period. The period before the discovery of art of writing is called prehistoric age. You may ask me why. This is so because we do not find any evidence of linguistic development or the use of script. What is script? The letters that we used in the language to write. We do not get any written records for the study of history of this period. Then, what are the sources for this prehistoric period? The scholars who studied this period are called archaeologists. In this stage, man was a nomad. A person who moves from one place to another in search of food and indulge in hunting and food gathering. Archaeologists have discovered a few tools created and used by these people. They used tools made of stone, wood, and bones. Among these, only tools made of stone have survived even today, providing us the source for study. Human beings in this prehistoric age used stone tools to peel the skin and separate the flesh and bones of animals, to scrape the bark of trees, and to cut fruits and roots. The people used to create handles out of bones and wood and use them like spears and arrows. Hunted animals, they used stones as axes to chop down trees and cut them into logs. Where do you think these people lived? Yes, you guessed it right. These people lived in places where they were abundant of stones. The relics of hunting and food gathering humans are available in Bhimbetka, Hunasagi and Kurnool in India. There are many other sites in which such relics have been found. Most of these sites have been discovered along the banks of rivers and lakes. Since stone tools were essential for the survival of people of that age, they chose areas abundant with stone and which could fulfill their needs. Knowledge of fire. How did these people have the knowledge of fire? And how do we know that these people had knowledge of fire? Signs of ashes have been obtained in the caves of Kurnool. They reveal the knowledge and the use of fire by the people of Stone Age. Maybe fire was used for various purposes like cooking food, for light, or to frighten animals. Moreover, drawings were found in the caves. We get to see some drawings in many caves in which people lived in the Stone Age. Even today we can see these drawings done on the walls of caves and the rocks. Such cave drawings can be seen in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka. There are beautiful drawings of wild animals and hunting. Over 12,000 years ago, the Earth's temperature began to gradually increase. This was favorable for the development of grasslands. With the development of grasslands, birds and animals multiplied. The animals like deer, goats, sheep, and elks flourished everywhere. Human beings started domesticating these animals, and hence animal husbandry and dairying started. Human beings also learned how to fish in the streams and the lakes. Now, since he had a settled life, he started making use of barley, wheat, and rice as his food and started growing them too, and hence agriculture started. The prehistoric age is divided into three stages: Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age, and New Stone Age. The Old Stone Age prevailed 2 million years ago. It is the oldest age and is called Old Stone Age. It is stretched over a period of 12,000 years. 12,000 years. The early, the middle, and the late Stone Age. Coming to the Middle Stone Age, this period was from 12,000 years to 10,000 years. The tools of this period are generally very small and hence they are called delicate stone tools. Coming to the New Stone Age. The New Stone Age began after 10,000 years. The stone tools of this period are different from those of the earlier periods. These tools were bright and had sharp edges. People of this age used grinding stones for grinding leaves and herbs and grains and cereals. Some pots and pans of this period have been found, a few of which have been decorated. Pots were used for storing grains. They were also used for cooking rice, wheat, and other grains and cereals. People of this age had learned to weave cloth too. So, what have you learnt in today's class? You have learned the prehistoric period, the stages of prehistoric period, Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age, and New Stone Age. This is today's assignment. What is meant by prehistoric age? How did animal husbandry and dairying start? Why are the different periods of prehistory given various names by archaeologists, and what are they? Thank you and have a nice day.